All right, y'all, so here we go. Official room tour, M126. Let's see how she rolls. If it works. All right, so we first walk in here. Well, everybody sees all the pretty stuff over there. As soon as you walk in, we have some shelves with all my junk. That's either a microwave, a pizza oven, or could possibly be a safe. I put my towels here, shoes here. We have a drawer with some goodies. That's usually where your laundry bags are. Another empty drawer down here. Oh, well, that's that. Then we have your escape instructions or emergency stuffs over there, like so. And that is your room lighting. Controls all the lights in the entire room. No card needed. Let's go this way. We'll turn this way. We have 2 closets. And we shall come over here, and that's my laundry bag. You got a rod there with no hangers in it because I moved them. We have a shelf. This shelf does not move. And plenty of storage down here for shoes, suitcases, whatever you need, which is great. Very nice, very nice. Moving on, as I put all my clothes in here. Plenty of hangers. Have some storage at the bottom. All right. And then we have the phone. We have some shelving off to the right. And the water. We have a full desk. Pay no attention to that drink right there. I'm not drinking today. He he he. There's a pull-out ottoman or stool, garbage can. We have a drawer here. We're gonna open all of it. It's hair dryer because you know me, I got that long hair. And then we have the cabinet with the refrigerator. And I have some waters in there right now. But little trick, if you take a washcloth out of your bathroom and you fold it like so, and you put it over the door, just to keep that door cracked open a little bit. The heat from the cooler will get out and your stuff will stay colder. And then we have a full-length mirror. How's everybody doing? My wonderful room attendant always leaves me messages on my mirror. We have the room service menu. Everything's in there. Some of it is free, some of it is extra charge. We have 2 USB, and there's a light switch here, and I'm gonna see, hopefully it doesn't blind this camera out. We're gonna turn that on, and it goes around the mirror, and it is quite bright, which is fine if you need it, but I always stay with my hair did and my makeup done. So we have 2 120 volt or 110 outlets here, and behind the waters we have the 220 European plug. So with all of that, we're going to move on over. We have a very nice TV. This is going to be close because the bed's right here, but we have a very nice TV, and it does pivot somewhat. It doesn't come out, but it's all good. Little shelf. No cabinets here. I mean, what do you expect? It's not a really big deal. Come around the other side of the bed, and we have my little, I don't know, elephant, rabbit. I have no idea what it is, but he's got a hold of my remote there. As long as he doesn't charge movies in my room, I'm good. And we have another storage here. There's plenty of space. I mean, if this cabin, if you're by yourself, if you're solo cruiser by yourself, this cabin's great. And then we have the bed where the magic doesn't happen. Just saying, solo cruiser, you by yourself, the magic doesn't happen there. There are 2 lights behind on the headboard there. We have some outlets over here. There are 2 USBs here by the window. Then there is a master light where you could turn all the lights in the cabin off. Fold those back up, make them nice and pretty. We have our curtains. There's a great big window. I'm gonna open this up a little bit. We're gonna come out onto the balcony. You also have a child-proof lock up here. Child-proof, or, I mean, in case, you know, the ninjas rappel down in the middle of the night, you could keep them out with that lock. So no ninjas. And here is the light for the the switch for the outside lights. Come out onto the balcony. We have the door, one chair, and one is actually a lounger. We have a table in the middle. There's our nice big window. There's our light up top, the door, and we have another divider here, right there. But with this divider, on this particular ship, which I really like, if you move this last chair right here, if you move it out the way, we're gonna go ahead and do it. I did it earlier. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. Move this out of the way. We have a little, come on, get me. We have a little latch here. So if we open this, we can actually open this door, and there is actually a little cove here. So we can come in here and hide out and look back in the balcony. I think it's pretty neat. I don't know, it's the first time I ever had this cabin, or a cabin like this. First time I've ever been on a ship, but it was all right. So there you go. That is, no, we're not done. I forgot the most important part. No, we'll fix that later. The bathroom. Sorry for all the noise. I'm tripping over tables and chairs and whatnot. Okay, back inside. And the balcony doors do not slam shut. I like that. So we have the bathroom. I probably should have done this earlier, but you know what? It's my video. I'm gonna do it the way I want. These are your lights for the bathroom. I don't know what that is. It doesn't light up at night. So we come into the bathroom and you have your sink. You have a little vanity area to put your few little things, which I do. We have tissue. I have my shaving kit stuff up there. Nice great big mirror. Hey y'all again. You know, you have a garbage can down here. The toilet. Your towels are all here. There's an extra towel rack that I hang my old towels on because, you know, if I use one, I would think I would use it again, but my wonderful stateroom attendant, and I'm being serious, she takes them and gives me brand new towels anyway. So it is what it is. So now we're gonna 180 degrees to the shower. You have the little clothesline here. It comes across to connect, to hang up bathing suits, wet clothes, that sort of thing. You have your shower gel and shampoo. You have your tray for all your stuff. Your standard, basically your standard Carnival shower or cruise ship shower, whichever. On this ship, the water pressure and the temperature is like perfect. I do like the fact it seems a little bigger than most of the ships I've ever been on. Like, I haven't been on any XL, so, but for the most part, there is a drain. Let's move this out the way. That is in the shower and partly out of the shower, which I've never seen that before. But with this ledge right here, the water doesn't go underneath it. Some water does drip out off the shower curtain onto the floor, but a little bit gets taken up by the floor towel, but the majority of it goes right down that slice of the drain right here, that little piece of the drain. So my bathroom floor does not get soaking wet. So here I am, and yeah, it's a great room. I like it. You know, the bathroom could be a little cramped for, say, 2 people, but I have very little stuff, you know, so yeah, it's a good room. It's a good room. M126 on the Carnival Paradise. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Later.